The coronavirus, specifically people who have gotten the vaccine but who end up getting the virus. The latest numbers from DHEC show more than 550 such patients statewide. Tonight we're sharing the stories of two of those people in the Midlands and their message to the public. Here's Alicia Nieves.
Two breakthrough cases, two different journeys.
What I've heard about COVID, that was not me at all.
Stacey Clark is a school counselor in Lexington. Juan Carlos Hernandez works at a restaurant in Colombia.
En el salad bar de un restaurante.
Both were fully vaccinated in April. Both tested positive for COVID-19 this month.
I had no clue I had it.
Clark got a COVID test after a friend's results came back positive.
So I had my test done and it was negative, so all is good.
Days later, she began to feel bad.
My throat was kind of hurting. I started developing a little bit of a cough.
She says doctors treated her for a respiratory infection since she had no fever, and her recent test came back negative. Then her throat started to bother her even more.
Kind of choppy, scratchy, cutty in there.
So she went to urgent care.
She said, I'll test you for strep throat, but I think I want to test you for COVID too. So I'm like, okay, that'll be fine. She comes back about 30, 40 minutes later and she tells me your strep throat test came back negative, but your COVID test came back positive. And I just was like, huh?
That was a week and a half ago. Other than a scratchy throat, she feels fine now.
It scares me to think of what it could have done if I had not had the vaccine. I'm also type 2 diabetic, and I have high blood pressure.
Hernandez began experiencing symptoms a couple of weeks ago.
Náuseas, dolor de cabeza.
Nausea, headache, loss of appetite. That's why I went to get a test. 15 days ago, I tested positive for COVID-19.
At his work, he says employees can wear masks, but it's not required. 8 of his coworkers, he says, also got infected.
La población en general.
In general, people are taking this all very lightly. The fact is, this virus attacks. It doesn't matter if you're vaccinated or not.
Today, he's almost fully recovered.
The only symptom I still have is the loss of smell. I can't smell. Symptoms for the vaccinated like me are mild.
Both Clark and Hernandez are still testing positive, but remain firm in saying their shots help them heal at home.
Please get the vaccine. If you have not had it, please get it because it truly does make a difference.
Las personas deben comprender.
People need to realize the more people who get vaccinated, the quicker we can get out of this pandemic and return to the normality we all want.
Alicia Nieves, News 19 WLTX.